how often I will have to service this watch?
Well, if you mean update, normally every 2 to 3 weeks. But with this one, it's very simple. All you have to do is you take the smartwatch, you put it in a dock, you synchronize it with your personal profile, then a short wait of approximately 45 minutes, and you're almost done. Only need to re-enter your cloud user information, and that's it. It's 18 updates a year in total, but this little baby right here already runs on service 431C, which means only 17 more updates to go.
17 updates a year?
Yeah, 17, 18. And it's super light. So if you want to go jogging, this watch, you don't even feel it. Yeah.
How long have you been working in the watchmaking industry?